Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where we learn to draw pretty much anything, and I make it really easy for you, okay? And today we're going to learn how to draw a dirt bike, okay? We're going to have those really big tires on it, and it's going to go fast. It's going to be awesome, okay? It's going to have a lot of detail. So this may be something that you want to take your time on. It may be a little bit of a longer video, so be ready guys. We're going to do a lot of detail in it, and it does have some, it's a little bit harder, so be ready, but I'll make it easy, okay? No worries. Now first, I want to make sure that we're all prepared, so make sure you have your two pencils. In case you make a mistake, you have one ready. You have your eraser. We can erase and make changes. And then we have our Sharpie or a black ink pen or something to do a good outline of our drawing. And then of course any markers or colors or crayons or colored pencils you have, get those ready. And whatever colors you want to draw, make your dirt bike, get ready for those. Now have those ready and we'll be able to color it nice after. Alright, so we're going to get started here. First thing we're going to do with our dirt bike, I always want to do is start with the tires. So we'll start with 2 circles for the tires. Alright, so we'll have one. That's not too bad for my first circle. Remember, circles are tough, guys. If you want to start making a circle shape and then pick the line you like and erase it, that's what sometimes I'll do. Kind of like this. You start making a circle with your hand. And then one of those lines will be your favorite, right? So you can just pick whichever one you like. You know what I mean? And then you kind of erase everything else. Easy way to make a circle. Or you find something circular and trace it. That's an easy way to make a circle too. Okay, no worries. There we go. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to draw another circle on the inside of the wheels. Keep it kind of the same distance between the tire and the rim. These are going to be the rims of the wheels. There we go, 2 circles on the insides. And we're going to do one more small circle in the very center of each wheel. This will just be where the wheel connects to the bike. And that's just to kind of, give us a center point as well for our wheel. Alright, and we'll probably be doing a lot more with the wheels for now. We're going to leave them. First thing, I think this will be the front of my bike, so I'm going to do the handlebars and the shocks that go down to the bike. So I'm just going to start at the bottom here. I'm going to do a small circle around my tiny circle here, just like that. And I'm going to draw 2 lines coming up from them, parallel to each other. That means right next to each other. There we go. I'm going to have those come up to about there. And then I'm going to stop it with cross it with a line at the top. And then for the handlebars, you really wouldn't see the handlebar too much, so I'm just going to draw a circle at the top for the handle, for where you'd hold it. And then maybe a small little rectangle here for any sort of electronics or something that you may have on your dirt bike. And then another one, small little rectangle here. Maybe that's the front of the bike. It has the number on it or something for the racer. I don't know. Alright. And then I'm going to just draw a line across here. And a line across right in the middle of this rectangle. 2 lines across to kind of show the shocks of the bike. And then these 2 lines are going to be behind the handlebar, the tire. So we're going to erase those 2 lines here. we go. All right, now, next, we're going to do the frame of the bike, the bottom of the frame, okay? So first thing we're going to do is right about the middle of here, of this section that we drew here, right about here, we're gonna pull a line kind of diagonally down to the middle of our wheels. Because our frame's gonna connect to the wheels. Okay, we're gonna cross that off and just finish it. It's a nice long rectangle for the metal part of the frame there. Then this long piece will go right to this part of the wheel. So we're gonna draw our other circle here and then connect it to the wheel with a long skinny rectangle, just like this one. Straight line back, straight line back. Here we go. And then again, we're going to erase this part of the wheel because that'll be behind the frame. You won't see it. See that? Makes sense, guys? Always do that. Makes your drawings look so much better. Okay. Next. We're just going to do the top of the gas tank, the seat, and then the back fender. Okay, so top of the gas tank, the seat, and the back fender. So right a little bit higher than the frame here, about halfway up, we're going to start the gas tank. So we're going to do a curved line up and down. Just like that for the gas tank. I'm going to keep that curved line going down a little bit lower than usual. And then a straight line out. It's going to be parallel with this line. And then we're going to go diagonally up again. And then we're going to keep that going as the back, kind of the back fender here. I curved it way too far, so we want it to just kind of stick out and up. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop it there for now, just so that we know what we're doing. Okay, now this part is where the seat is going to be, so we're just going to fill it in here with a slightly curved line, maybe straight line for the seat. That'll be where the person sits. And then the gas cap on top is just going to be a rectangle, up, over, down, very small. Little rectangle there. Okay, now this part of the gas tank is going to be on the other part of the frame. So we're going to draw right here at the top of this frame, we're going to draw a line across, okay? And that's going to basically connect to this piece of the line. So we can do a line straight across here. Now that is going to also come down. Okay, and this one as well, same thing. We're going to have another line here. This was the part of the frame, right? Frame, frame, all this is frame. Okay, next, we have to have a part of the, kind of a part of the frame to sit on here, right? So we're going to have this part come out. Stop it there, and then we're going to have another piece of the frame go straight down. There we go. And then all in here will be our engine and everything. Now, of course, guys, this might not be exactly how a dirt bike is designed, but for this purpose, for drawing one, I think it'll be just great. Okay, so no worries there. Now we're going to come back here to the back. We're going to finish this up, the back tail fender. Just a line down. And then this is right where the exhaust will be too. So we're going to have that line kind of come here, line out and up, like that. I'm going to make my exhaust have a little bit of a thick part on it. Big rectangle here. Right? and then a little curved end on it. See that? Like a little macaroni noodle, guys. And then there's usually some air holes in some of these cool exhausts that some of these bikes have. So I'm gonna do that. Give it some texture, some character. Do 3 holes in lines all the way down. 1, 2, 3, all the way down. You can kind of see it looks cool, I think. All right. Now we're gonna just do the front fender for the mud, right? This is for the back wheels mud, and this will be for the front wheel. So right about where that line is, we're gonna have a curved line coming out and another curved line coming back. So it's just gonna be over the wheel, right? Kind of like a curved line. We're gonna just go right back to the front. So sharp part on the end, come back, curved line back, and then another curved line here to the front. That'll be the front fender. Kind of like another half moon shape. And feel free to erase it if it's not right, guys, and just, you know, fix it. If it doesn't look good to you, it's fine, erase it. It's the best part about pencil first. All right, now let's get the engine in here all done, and then we can finish up our wheels and we'll basically be ready to color. So the engine, there's so many moving parts and it's so difficult to draw an engine exactly like a real engine should look. So we're gonna just draw some different pieces that look like an engine, okay? So first we'll draw a circle here. This will be kind of like the main part of the engine, or the maybe the kickstart. Maybe there's some bolts on it. Put some dots there. Maybe there's another piece that goes around it, I think. Why not? Maybe I'll bolt that one on too. Maybe 4 bolts. And then this is connected with some lines here. And then this is the exhaust, so maybe there's some exhaust lines coming in right here, and I'll just kind of curve them. I think that looks pretty good, and maybe there's like a curved piece that comes in from here, like that. Ah, that's fine. And then up in here, maybe I'll do some lines across, maybe some lines up, with some bolts on them. Maybe these lines kind of come up. Some sort of exhaust system or something like that, you know? Whatever you guys think, it's fine. Make some lines. There, something like that. And maybe there's another circle part in here, like a gear or something with some gears on it. Make it like kind of like a sun looking thing. Maybe there's a gear there, a gear here. I don't know. Whatever works, guys. And then we'll fill in this part with another piece that connects. Maybe some lines here. Maybe another one here. Maybe there's some in here too, connecting that piece and maybe this piece. All right, looks good to me, guys. Looks good to me. All right, so I'm gonna stop there, and I'm gonna do my wheels, okay? So my wheels, basically, I'm gonna do 2 lines down, 2 lines across. Everything I do is gonna have 2 lines to it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right? 1, 2. Those what you wouldn't see. I'm gonna do 2 more here. They're gonna all connect to that middle part. And 2 more here. You see how everything I do has 2. I'll do the same thing here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, there's also needs to be kind of like a chain on this wheel to get it to move. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a line coming from right about here, the bottom of this circle. We're gonna have it diagonally come out and wrap around the wheel and go into this spot here. That'll just stop there, okay? And then around that, there's gonna be a round part of the wheel that holds the chain. So we're just gonna have a circle in here. That's all. It doesn't really matter if it looks like it or not, guys. It's in the wheel. It's hard to see, so it's no problem. Okay, and then each wheel is gonna have those nubs on them for traction in the dirt and the mud when they're doing the dirt. So I'm just gonna make little bumps on the ends of the wheels. You guys can see what I'm doing, just making little bumps. And the wheels are gonna be black, remember guys. So it doesn't even matter what it looks like now because you're just gonna color it in black anyways. Okay, nubs on the front wheel too. So I'm just making little round peaks, little nubs on them. As you can see. And they don't even have to be perfect. Look at how mine look. They're messed up, it's okay. It's a dirt bike, guys. It's getting run over by dirt and mud and rocks. It's fine, no worries. All right, I think we're good. That looks really good, guys. I hope yours looks really good too, and feel free, take your time on this. It is lots of details, okay? So get it right before you do your outlining. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna do my outlining and color. We're gonna fast forward through it all real quick, faster than a dirt bike can go, and then we'll talk after, okay? I hope you guys pick whatever colors you want for your dirt bike. I think I'm gonna make mine. Let's make it a surprise, okay? Here we go. Happy coloring. Okay guys, I think we're all finished with our dirt bike, and as you can see, I think I chose to go with like a yellow and black, a tiger dirt bike. I did some stripes on there. I think that looks pretty cool. And I want you guys to do the same, you know, make some cool designs on your dirt bike. Don't just color it one color, you know, make it interesting. So I decided to go with like a tiger dirt bike. I think it looks really cool, and some yellow in the engine as well, to really make it pop out. And I hope your dirt bike came out just as good as mine, if not better. And I hope it was pretty easy for you guys today. So you know, always practice, draw it again, and it'll always be better the next time. And then I hope it was really easy, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and take it easy.